Yes, people, yes, people, yes, people with Diana Niah thing. See the down there? Niah thing. Yeah, man, my ball already, man. What? Ball already. Yeah, man, Desiree. Desiree. Juggernaut. Big up yourself. Current affairs, big up yourself. All who I watch, big up himself. All who have some bumble hole too. And I watch. And good. You see me? Real people, big up on yourself too.
Don't drop the phone.
I man. I want Niah. I want Niah. I want Niah. Yeah, people, we have to block some people. We have to block some people.
The band director making a dress up?
Eh?
A band director that making dress up?
Boy, L.A. Lewis.
Who?
L.A. Lewis. Yes, people. People who don't know, say a whole heap of intruders the boat. A whole heap of pagans and a whole heap of make trouble people too. The boat. And enough of them even at the chat too, you see it, but it's true we know them with them business with them, you know. Yeah, man, but anytime them come up, people, I'm going to just block them. Moderators if you're not there. Any waste man and waste girl upon this, just block them said time. I don't want you mute them, I want you block them, because I don't want them see. Them can see what happening, but no panda app here. Must be one different phone, not that one here. You see it, yeah. So that's what I say. Yeah, man. See all the boy, we fucking him. You see? Tacte. Make sure you block you right away. You see the color flag where you have, that which shows you is gay. And we don't mingle with gay, we born gay. Alright? So we are block you. Well, I know everything them probably see, so I avail them. Yeah. We black gay. You know so much sexy girls with about you come here with your flag. Look at show baby. Just say hello. Hi. You see that? So I don't want no people with no flag on my phone. Go ahead. Bam back. Yeah. Yeah man. What I'm doing now. Now come up here so we do the thing. See? Yeah man. Yeah man. Tire. Up there. Yes people. Well you done with the final leg of Niah thing. Right now. You see it at the final leg people. And my lay to rest. As you see me earlier, I shown you the grave where am I going to lay now. You don't know. But you know, the crowd, the down there's a people. The crowd on the other side there. And we just up here, so you don't know where the crowd go. Yeah man, and justice we say for Niah straight, man. Justice for Niah straight. With no apology. With no apology. Yeah man, you mean as long as you say Niah and I know me, no problem with that. I love you same way. Once you say Niah and I know me, big up yourself for that. That I don't know, me not block you for that. Nothing no block you for that, no. You see it? Yeah. I hate man. I hate man. The people we just there go and hold it. See it? We just there go and hold it. Go and hold a vibe and Niah thing. Yes, sir. You see me?
One Niah gang.
I one gang out. I one gang out. You know that, right?
Two.
Yeah, man. One gang out, brother. We just there just go and hold a vibe still, you know? For the last lap here, you know?
I mean, man.
School, the man. School, the man. We have to big up the whole of Niah dear ones, them. All of Niah friend, them. All of Niah family, them. We now rope and walk with all one back line every 2 blood clot month and pop it out every time. Then we throw a little bit in a one cup. And then they like them and share it. Throw a little bit in a one cup and put. You think I lie? A real thing. I said, me I tell you now. Real blood clotting. Yo, none of them not even invite him on a party or nothing, you know, to come support, you know. Because guess what? If we buy a bottle of water, there's somebody who stand up beside him. But guess what? I'm going to pop out here and see. And walk where and lift you up. And say, look where we are beat. And out of back and chunk and take that. That's so him do. Is it? Yeah. Niah no do them thing that when Niah come, Niah take out him loud cash. Anyhow, I that thing have and that way I do, I that him I do. Yeah. When I look no hype off and nothing where I tell lie with you, man. Alright, man. Yeah, man. Well, I shoot me attack. So if you want to call me bad man, you can call me bad man for that. But I shoot me attack pussy. That him do. That him do. I go like a blood clot, like me I tell. Yeah, man.
Jamaican people food couldn't cut up on them. I'm like, what the fuck?
Take out some money and shower it down and give people them. Yes. Yeah, man, we're there, man. Very peaceful people. Everything good, very peaceful. Very peaceful. We're there, very peaceful. You see me? Yeah, man. Alright, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, I just go down at the grave just now, man. I did it. I down at the grave, man. I go down at the grave and I did a show Niah right through to. Show Niah for long, man. Holy, man. If you don't see it, that don't mean you never do it. You do it. Yeah, man, I do it, man. And enough people there do it. Enough people. 1 and 2 little vlog people them are there. Enough TikToker there. I do it. Yes, people see that. The one little section I don't guess how the graving. Don't guess how the graving people. Don't get how the graving. Yeah, man. I'm going to put him down in the wall anytime now. You see me? Yes, people.
Where you there?
So go down in the grave now, you know?
Oh, me see you. Me there place up. Me there by a kitchen. No.
Millie is stray. Millie, you know me have to accept you, Millie. Millie.
Father.
Millie, me not talk big you up and bless you. Me not see you all long.
Me there here, man. Me there here. Me just have to say my condolences to you and the family again.
Yeah, man, what if I respect a man as man, Millie?
Yeah, man, and straight blessings. But listen, let me tell you something. Stop address them people, you know, Father. No address them today. Give them tomorrow or one next day, not today.
All right.
Please, me, I beg you. Cause it no matter what you say. Them want troll you, and it no matter if you, it no matter what you do or say, them are gonna ask the opposite. Just allow them. Listen, them are try to bring out the worst out of you today. You know what them do? Them screen record it and say, see how the father act. Them come and antagonize you upon purpose. Just see the thing, no man.
Yeah.
Don't answer them, man. Anything them say, you make, don't cuss none of them. Anything them say, I saw it go.
All right.
You get what me I say? No answer them. Please,
right,
me I beg you.
All right, now say a word, Millie, is you don't know if me always give you all the respect and I know. And me have to listen to what you are saying because you out there looking in so you will know exactly what to say.
Yeah, man, them are going like say for them son. Now you know for them pick me for you, you know. Them know where I come from.
Let me not tell you, man.
Don't answer them. Listen to the, you know, see the idiot question them are asking and you go along with it, Father. Why you know they are the grave? Look how much time you are the grave. Why you feel to stand up on top of the grave the whole day? Stop answer them, Father.
All right, Millie.
May I beg you, don't make them turn you an idiot to them and just do what you do no, Father, do what you do today. And now you do today and not feed them there. Tell them to circle back.
Yes, Millie.
Yeah, man, bless
Yes,
up,
Millie.
Father, and go put your son to rest. Your son gets such a beautiful funeral. Listen,
Yeah, man.
may I tell your Father, your son bless. You bless
Yes.
your family, bless. A God
Yeah,
and
man.
time, a God and
Lord.
time, Father. God and time.
Yeah, I told Millie.
God
Well,
and time. Just
yes.
relax yourself today. Lay your
Yes, money
son
for
to rest.
respect.
Give your son a peaceful,
Hold
positive
on.
send off. And it's not about no bad mind, wicked people out there chat. Make them talk. Because they must lock off one day, you know, Father. Them not go talk forever. They must lock off one day.
Yeah.
Blessing, Father. Go and go do your thing and do what you have to do, not what nobody tell you to do.
Yeah.
All
Yeah,
right?
man. Big up, Millie. No see a word. Yeah.
Yeah, man. Blessings.
Yeah, man. Well, for respect.
All right.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Yes, people. I hate them. I hate people. Gabriel. Yeah, man. Yes, people. The great Gabriel. People, what are we there, man? We all are way out. We out. I go and support. I give it support. You know? And we there. Yes, man. I hate, man. What? Good, man. We're good, man. We're good. Yeah.
Oh, fire.
We're going to go out. We don't ride with Josh here. Oh, me don't have no food in the bus.
You're blessing them, man. I talk to man. Anything you know, you're thinking, man. You want to, man. You're ready, man.
Just look at that.
Man, like you can't turn black.
Cho. Yes, people, we're there. We're there, man, at the final lap.